Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to piggyback off of other popular products and brands to build your business from scratch. So if you're a newbie, if you're experienced, regardless of where you're at in your business, in your life, you can do this and you can get results. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the content. I actually wasn't going to do a video today, but I pushed myself to do it. You know, you guys, sometimes you just got to do things even though you don't feel like doing them. And you know, today was one of those days, but I have a mission, I have a goal to continue to give you guys quality content, quality value, because at the end of the day, it's not about me and how I feel. It's about serving you. And hopefully one person can take what I'm teaching you today and go out there and execute it and create more freedom and fulfillment for yourself, for your family, and live your dreams that you so desire and deserve. So that being said, let's go ahead and talk about how to execute this. And this is basically how I built my business. I built my business by doing product reviews in different niches. So the best way that you can start is take a product that's trending, take a product that's really popular in the marketplace and ride that wave and leverage that product to build your business and your brand. And this is 100% legal. A lot of people will complain and say, you're using this company to, make money from this company and build your business. It's marketing. It's smart. It works. It's competition. It's business. And if you're not willing to play the game, get out, get off the field, right? So let me show you guys you can see that I'm here on Bing.com. We talked about Bing ads in one of the last videos, but this is going to be very much a different video. You can also use Google search engine, but what we want to do is we want to find advertisers out there that are spending a lot of money in the marketplace. Because if they're spending a lot of money, guess what? Consumers are seeing these products that they're advertising, and they're probably going to YouTube and they're going to Google or back to Bing, and they're typing in product name plus review. So what you're doing is you're piggybacking off of the ad spend, off of the buzz that a product is creating to build your business. So think about what niche you're in or what niche you want to go into. The fastest way that you can get to success is to start reviewing popular products out there. Some popular products within the weight loss industry, at least one that I know of, is keto products. Anything that's has to do with keto and ketones, you can definitely use those types of products to build your business in the weight loss industry. So what I decided to do is I went to Bing and I wanted to find out who the heck was advertising when I would type in a general keyword term in the weight loss industry, such as lose weight fast for women. Then what you do is you look at the top search results right here. And let's just look at all of these. We got this Cool Sculpting, we got Nutrisystem, we got this GenXFactor.com, we got this Top Diet Formula. So what I would do is I would pull out a little text edit pad or a little notepad and append. So you could write down the word Cool Sculpting, which looks like it's kind of a industry piece of terminology that people use in the weight loss industry. So you can use that keyword, go ahead and write down that word, and then you can write down Ideal Image, which is the name of the company that does Cool Sculpting. So those are two words that you could write down. And then I would jump over here and I write down Nutrisystem, which is very popular. Obviously, they're still doing a lot of advertising. As you can see, they're on Bing. And then this GeneticsDigest.com. Let's see. This looks like kind of like a review site, review style site. So it looks like this is their primary product that they're reviewing. They could be an affiliate, and this is just an affiliate site, and there are affiliates of all these specific companies right here. Jillian Michaels, you can even use public figures and their names doing reviews based around these specific people, talk about them, talk about their history, talk about their products on your YouTube channel or on a blog. And so when people would go and they would type in Jillian Michaels review, then you would be ranking at the top and you would siphon off, that traffic and you could basically give an authentic review around, you know, for example, Jillian Michaels, and then you can have somebody opt in to your email list. And then you can follow up with them, build a relationship, and eventually sell your own products. Now on the front end, the strategy is not to like do bait and switch. Like, hey, here's the pros and cons of the product when you don't even know about the product. You know, don't buy this product because it's a scam, it's this and that. Buy my product. That's a very biased review. You don't want to do a review like that. You want to be authentic, genuine, be real with people, do real research, even buy some of these products, research, you know, these people, and then give a real review and say at the end of it, hey, if you got value from this review, you know, like, comment, let me know. And if you're seriously interested in losing more weight, for example, if you want, go ahead and subscribe to my email list. I'll send you guys some tips, advice, maybe some products from time to time, completely up to you. So you leave it up to them. So you give a non-biased review and sort of say, hey, if you'd like to know more, great. If you don't, that's okay too. Okay, makes sense? So I would write these down too as well. Jillian Michaels, Plate Joy, Fat Switch, this DNA's Fat Switch. Let's actually check it out real quick. View order options. Okay, it looks like it doesn't go to a separate website. I thought maybe it would, but it looks like it doesn't. Let me go back. So this tells me something. This could be a product that Genetics Digest actually owns. So it's not an affiliate product, but I'm guessing this is going to go to a different website. Watch. Let's see, view order options. No, it doesn't. Wow. It still says purchased options for DNA Fat Switch, which is weird. Let's see. Let me go back. Okay, it looks like Jillian Michaels diet, but it still goes back to the same exact product. So supposedly it looks like they're reviewing Jillian Michaels diet, but it just goes back to this primary product. So this is kind of like a bias review site, which isn't necessarily what you want to do, but it looks like maybe it works. But again, I'd write down those product names. Here's another one. This is actually a specific landing page that I showed you in a previous video, but it looks like they're promoting here this Garcinia. I know Garcinia Cambogia was like huge for a while, and a lot of health experts could have used the buzz of that product to build their business. And I would look at like publications on health and wellness. I would watch things like Dr. Oz. You know, he is kind of bringing on a lot of public figures around what's trending right now. So paying attention to what he's talking about, because a lot of times people will watch his show and he might introduce, for example, a new keto supplement, and then people will just go to, you know, on the internet and they'll type in the keto supplement, or they'll type in something related to keto. And so you can use trending topics in your niche to build your business. We've talked about that, but you want to be writing down all these buzzwords, all this new terminology within your niche. So this is Garcinia Cambogia. Like I said, there's also, if I go to offervault.com, this will tell me the popular offers that are hot right now. So look, you can see number 1 is weight loss. Number 2 is keto, which is part of weight loss. So, you know, anything around keto right now, any product around keto that we find out on the internet, we can build our business around that. So check it out. We click on keto. We've got this PureFit Keto Diet. We've got Keto Ultra SS. These are all the names of these specific products. PureFit Keto SS, Rapid Results Keto. So we could be doing reviews around all these different products. So I would have like one YouTube channel or even one blog that's all based around doing weight loss product reviews, right? And that's if you're passionate about weight loss. I'm just giving you guys a bunch of ideas. And then this Offer Vault is actually a huge marketplace where if you want to, you could promote these products on your website. So you could very well review this product and promote the same product. Or you could review the product and give a real review. And at the end, like I said, send people to another product that you honestly feel will be more beneficial for them. Okay, so you have the choice. Just because you're reviewing one product doesn't mean you have to promote that product. You can promote another product. Sorry, you could promote another product, or you could promote, you know, a free ebook, a free video series maybe that you created. There's so many different things that you can do. And what I want to do is I want to get your mind rolling. I want to get your mind, you know, sort of tapping into this creativity of thinking about all the possibilities that come along with this. So I showed you, just by looking at other ads, the different products that you can create reviews around. And you'll notice that I do that in my channel here, Real I Am Reviews. This is all about internet marketing product reviews. But the intention isn't to promote any of these products. So for example, this AWOL Academy review has quite a bit of views. Look, 6,361 views. And then in the description, I have a link that goes to my website. It goes to what's called the sales funnel. And then people enter their name and email address here. And then they go to a sales page. And if they buy on that sales page, I make a commission. This is called affiliate marketing. So I'm selling other people's products. For example, this PureFit Keto Diet product pays out $110. Somebody else's product. They take care of the fulfillment. They take care of the shipping. They take care of everything. And I get a cut of the commission. So what's great about it is these product owners are willing to pay me because they notice that, you know, in addition to what they're already doing, if I'm sending more buyers to their product, everything extra is just a bonus. So they're willing to pay me like up to 70, 80, even 90% commission, right? So the whole purpose of this review channel is to review products in the affiliate marketing industry and then send people to my top recommended product. Okay. So I'm using other people's products, their product names, to build my business. Okay. And you can do the exact same thing. Go to Bing, think about what niche you want to go into, and then just start typing in different keyword phrases that have to do with your niche, like lose weight fast for women, or lose weight in my belly if you're in the weight loss industry, right? You got this flex belt. See, there's even more here. Flex belt, obesity and liposuction, perfect origins. I mean, you got so many different products. You even have these products over here. So go out there, start reviewing these products, research them, be the reporter. You know, you don't have to necessarily buy all these products and review them, but look at other reviews and then give people a verdict based off of this extra research that you went out there and did. So you can do that too as well. Be the researcher. You don't have to be necessarily the consumer that buys and reviews. A lot of people think that, oh my gosh, I don't want to have to buy all these products. Well, you don't if you strategically do this the right way. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know by commenting below. Give me a like, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, you want this covered in complete detail from start to finish about how to, you know, sort of create the content, the actual reviews, and then get those reviews seen by the search engines and YouTube and other social media outlets. If you want to know how to put all these pieces together, check out my top recommended system below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.